Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you this lazy trick I use on my phone to watch TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and any app I'm on when I'm actually busy. Might be busy cooking or busy washing clothes or plates or anything, and I can't touch my phone to be scrolling down. So I'll show you the easiest way to do that. You can just say next when you're done with that particular video, and your phone will just swipe up by itself and move to the next video. So just stay to the end and watch this video to learn this new trick and thank me later. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to turn on notification on all. Thank you. So to do that, you go to your settings, click on settings, and then you scroll down to accessibility. Click on accessibility, you scroll down to voice control. Click on voice control. Now when you click on voice control, you go to customize commands. Click on customize commands, and then you click on custom. When you click on custom, you click on create new command. Then now you can just type in next or whatever command you want to give to it, but I'm using next for my own. Then you click on action. When you click on action, it will bring you to this place. Do not click on insert text. Instead, click on run custom gesture. This is where you have to click on not insert text. You click on run custom gesture. When you do that, it will bring out this place. Then you just draw the line how you want it. Sorry, my hand is not straight. You can either move it forward like this if it's the app that will be going up, or you move it sideways if it's sideways you want. And you click on save. You come back to this new command, click on save again, and then you go back and turn on voice control. Do not forget to turn on voice control. Now let us try it. Next, 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 next. Next. So now this is me showing you how it's done on IG. You can see how comfortable I am saying next and washing through everything. So yes, that's how to do it. So just make sure to turn on that voice control. It is very important. Now you can just, I don't know, lie down and place your phone somewhere, or sit down and place your phone somewhere, or be washing your plates, clothes, cooking, or anything, and attend to your phone at the same time. Imagine doing something with both hands and laughing through each videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyways, don't forget to like if you actually like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you on our next videos and all of our videos. Bye.